Life began in a garden. The plants and animals were designed to reproduce. My invitation to you is to get started participating in this awesome, incredible miracle of the circle of life. I invite you to start gardening today with organic gardening in North Carolina. There are many benefits to growing your own food. Studies have shown that just being in contact with the soil can help to relieve stress. And homegrown food tastes so much better than what you could buy in the store. Part of that is because when you grow it at home, you can keep watch on it and pick it at the peak of ripeness. Also, you have more control of what chemicals are going to be in your food. Industrialized farming has really gone the way of using hazardous chemicals to produce crops. The only way you can really be sure of what is in your food is to grow it yourself. It's not hard to grow things. I've seen things growing out of concrete in the middle of major cities. Things want to grow. We just need to be able to create an environment for them to be able to grow easily so we can tap into what nature is already set up to do, and that is to reproduce. Maybe some of you have never even put a seed in the ground or seen something sprout and seen it grow to fruition. That's okay. You can still get started growing. It's really not that hard. And you don't even need a lot of space to be able to grow food or flowers for your enjoyment. You can get started growing sprouts in your kitchen that don't even take any soil. The next step up would be to grow microgreens, which will give you tasty snacks for eating raw or in salads or cooking. Even if you just have a patio on the outside of a condo in the city, you can put container plants out and get started growing. I would encourage you to get started no matter what your circumstances are. It is amazing to see things grow, to see a seed sprout, and to see life come from nothing. If you are ready to get started gardening, make sure that you are subscribed and click the bell so that you get notified and don't miss anything. I will put a link in the upper right hand corner here that is a link to my playlist on gardening for beginners for how to start square foot gardening, one of the simplest ways to get started. On the top left corner, I will leave a link for a video from my videos that Google says will be the best fit for you. Thanks for watching, have a blessed day, and I hope that you get started gardening today.